Hi, in this training video, we're going to be reviewing the feature called Remote Coach within the Koncert platform. Now, Remote Coach is a little bit different than the Remote Sales Floor in that managers can use this feature to both listen and be able to use the whisper mode to talk to their users. So when you come into the platform, the first thing that you'll want to do is join audio. Once you join audio,
Logged in.
it will tell you that you are logged in. Now, one option that you have to filter is when you have a team that's making calls, you can connect via the connection duration. So you can start at the beginning of the call or you can switch to high to low. You can also filter to users or teams or people using specific concert dialers within the platform. And then you can also filter for specific users within your team. But once you have teams that are going to start dialing, you can also click on auto select based on these different features. And when people start calling, under the action, you'll be able to see features again to listen or to use the whisper mode. Now, in the whisper mode, you'll only be able to talk to your salesperson. The prospect will not be able to hear you. The best practice for using this feature is usually to wait in between calls to talk to your sales rep instead of trying to talk to them during their cold calling. Now, when people are dialing, not only will you have the whisper and the listen mode, but you'll also be able to see your user's name, how many connections they've had, information about the call, what phone number that they connected with the prospect, the duration of the call, and the list that they are dialing. Now, if you have any questions about Remote Coach, please contact your customer success manager or Koncert support at koncert.com. Thank you.